We are outside of the Jamaican Tower here at the Carribean Resort in Myrtle Beach. And we have an elevator to ride. And I think this one may be a treasure. I hope it's original. You can see that big machine room right above the building. It's Caribbean parking. Let's see if it's still here. I really hope it is. This building dates back to the 60s. I think it's 60s, yeah. You got this little mini courtyard area. Here's the elevator. And as you see, they got these electronic locks retrofitted into the rooms. So let's see if the... Dang it! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ooh, VR lantern, like what the Marriott Marquis service elevators in Atlanta have. Ugh. This sucks. It's the Jamaican Motor Inn, now part of the Caribbean Resort. This used to be an Otis Black Button. PH. And notice, there's only one room up here. Down to one. Here's the view of the cab. There's your lantern. And my battery's about to die, so that's it.